Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we're going to soak off some dip powder today. And we have a bowl with hot water, and then I put a bag over that, and then I put a piece of paper towel in there, and then put some acetone in there, and then I just let them soak their hands so that they can rub their hands against the paper towel. Anyway, so we're going to drill the top layers of this dip powder off, and as you can see, I'm using my coarse safety drill bit. So I'm going to finish drilling the rest of the nails. I just have it zoomed in so you can see a little bit better, and then I'm going to speed up through the rest of the nails. So now I'm going to wipe the top coat off, but since we did a gel top coat, it doesn't really melt as well, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I get to the next hand. When I wipe it with the paper towel, it will wipe right onto the paper towel. You'll see what I'm saying. Okay, so every time I take the hand out of the acetone, I use the paper towel to wipe the top layers off, and then I drill again and just continue to go back and forth. And right now I'm switching over to my smoothing bit. So now I'll drill lightly on top of the dip powder and try to get as much dip powder off as I can, and then just keep going back and forth into the acetone until it's all gone. For whatever reason, I do notice that sometimes the dip powder is hard to get off. Like, it takes a little while. Not necessarily hard, you have to be very patient. But just remember to be patient and just get that top layer of the dip powder off. Like, don't drill on the nail bed. And then, like, under the dip powder, there's actually a clear powder under there. So just take your time, be patient. You'll be done with this before you know it. I think also red, like certain colors, it just takes longer to get off. So don't get discouraged. If this is happening to you, it happens to me all the time. Take your time. It will come off. So we went back into the acetone right after this, and that's where you see me right now wiping off that clear coat of the dip powder that I was telling you about. And this is the part where I go back in lightly with my smoothing bit and just take off that very clear coat of the dip powder. Okay, so now we are ready to prep the nail for a new dip set. So you're just going to gently go around the cuticle area there, and you'll lightly go over the entire nail. And all we are doing here is taking the shine off of the nail. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure. It's very, very lightweight. You want to think like feather. Very lightly get the shine off of the nail, and then we're just going to go through and do that for all 10 nails. All right, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see me put the dip set on, you can go to my other video that says dip powder on natural nails. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.